Did you know that obesity rates worldwide have been on the rise? It's time to take control of our health and make a change. Stick around to discover how a plant-based diet can be your key to effective weight management. Welcome to the world of plant-based nutrition, where natural foods can be the key to managing your weight effectively. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, plant-based eating offers a sustainable and nourishing approach. Let's face it, traditional weight loss methods can be a struggle. They often lead to temporary results and can be hard to sustain. Crash diets, extreme calorie restrictions, and fad diets may give quick results, but they often leave us feeling deprived and frustrated. That's where sustainable solutions like plant-based nutrition come in, providing long-term benefits without the yo-yo effect. Plant-based nutrition isn't just a trend, it's backed by science. By focusing on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes, you can benefit from the fiber, essential nutrients, and lower calorie density that these foods provide. Fiber-rich foods help keep you full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Plus, plant-based foods are typically lower in calories and higher in nutrients, making it easier to manage your weight without feeling hungry all the time. Think about the power of a well-balanced plant-based meal. A plate filled with colorful vegetables, hearty grains, and protein-packed legumes not only looks appealing but also fuels your body with everything it needs to thrive. This approach helps you avoid the pitfalls of processed foods that are often high in unhealthy fats and sugars. Now, let's get practical. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your routine. Begin with simple swaps, like replacing meat with beans in your favorite recipes or adding an extra serving of vegetables to your meals. Explore new plant-based recipes that are both delicious and nutritious. Don't forget to hydrate well and include a variety of foods to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients. To sum it up, plant-based nutrition offers numerous benefits for weight management and your overall health. By prioritizing plant foods in your diet, you can create a sustainable and effective approach to reaching your health goals. Not only will you manage your weight more effectively, but you'll also enjoy a host of other health benefits, from better heart health to improved energy levels. I encourage you to take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle by incorporating more plant-based foods into your daily meals. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and guidance on natural weight management with plant-based nutrition. Check out the description below for a special link to our free plant-based meal planner and starter guide. Together, let's embrace the power of plant-based foods and transform our health for the better in 2024. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share your plant-based journey in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to achieve our health goals naturally and sustainably. See you in the next video.